Muslim English Language Institute. Dialogue, vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the following words or idioms, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Number 1. Freeze. Stop where you are. Example. Freeze and don't move.
Number 2. Stick up, robbery. Example. She got hurt during a stick up.
Number 3. Hand it over. Give it to me. Example. Could you hand over that book to me?
Number 4. No funny business. Don't try anything suspicious. Example. The robber said, no funny business.
Number 5. One false move. A foolish attempt to escape. Example. One false move by the hostages could have ended badly.
Number 6. Watch out. Be careful. Example. Watch out. The car is coming towards you.
Number 7. I will let you have it. To give someone a punishment they deserve. Example. After he hit me, I said, I will let you have it now.
Number 10. Chill out. Calm down or relax. Example. We went to the beach just to chill out.
Number 9. Give it a rest. I don't believe it. Example. I'm tired of his lies, so finally I told him to give it a rest.
Number 10. Can it. Be quiet. Example. The police told the robber to can it.
Number 11. Get your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Example. The police told the robbers to get their hands in the air and not to move a muscle.
Number 12. Drop. Move your body to the ground quickly. Example. When we heard the sound of the explosion, we all dropped.
Number 13. Spread them. To stand with your legs wide for police to search you. Example. When the police search someone suspicious, they tell them to spread them.
Number 14. Move it. Hurry up. Example. Move it. We are already late.
Number 15. Cuff. To put handcuffs on someone. Example. Finally, the criminal was cuffed and he was taken away in a police car.